Let's look at how PowerPoint Zoom can add a summary slide to a detailed presentation automatically and really simply to help you navigate from any slide in the deck back to the index slide. So here we've got a pretty standard end of sales presentation where you might want to talk about 9 different areas with clients, but clients only want to talk about 2 or 3. So rather than run through in linear fashion, which is how PowerPoint originally was set up, why not create a slide like an index and navigate from there? So look, this is how we do it. We go to Insert on the menu bar, we choose Zoom, and we choose Summary Zoom. What PowerPoint then does is it looks at every slide in the deck, because we're not using sections in this one, and we just choose by clicking on them the slides that we want to appear in the index slide. So here I've got 2 logo slides at the start and the end, don't need those to be in there. And look, we choose Insert, PowerPoint automatically puts an index slide that is simply a reproduction of every slide that it sees here as a thumbnail. And so when we present, if we say to the clients, look, there are 9 things that we can talk to you about here, and the client says, oh, let's start with accuracy, and we click to slide 5, it takes us straight to that slide, and I've applied animation to that slide anyway. It clicks through it, and when it's finished, it goes back to the index slide. What would you like to talk about now? Oh, well, let's talk about ownership. We click through to slide 9, and I click through the builds on the slide, and when I've finished, it takes me back to the index slide. It's as simple as that. Now, I can also still add a really simple title. All of the benefits of XXX on one page. So when I present, of course, I have a nice little title there, and I just use Zoom to click through any slide that I want to. This works for much more complex presentations as well, where you might have slides organized in sections. And I'll do a video to demonstrate that in the next post.